How you doing? This is a Holley 4180 that I'm rebuilding, and I just wanted to share something with you. This is the primary metering block, Holley 4180 EG, which is just a governor controlled, but 4180 nonetheless. And a simple mistake that you can make is this hole right here is for the accelerator pump circuit, and here's the gasket. And the problem is, and I've seen this before, is you can actually put this gasket on backwards, and there's the hole, but the hole's covered over here, and you will have no accelerator pump action, which will result in a problem. Some gaskets correct this problem with holes on both sides. Not sure if I have one here. I don't, but in any case, just a tip to make sure that this hole lines up, because it is very easy to make a mistake.